In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can add a user on your Nintendo Switch. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and turn on your Nintendo Switch, which will bring you to this page here. And then once you're over here, go ahead now and go to these icons along the bottom, and then go ahead and then select Settings. And then once you've done that, go ahead and scroll down until you see User. And then as you can see, these are all my users I've got here, and there's an option right under there for Add User. Go ahead and select that. And then once you've selected that, it will bring you to this one here. So you can either import a user from another Nintendo Switch console, or you can create another new user. So go ahead now and create new user. Then go ahead and select your profile picture emoji thing. And then go ahead now and enter your nickname. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in 1234. See if it allows me to have that. So it's gone ahead now, and this user will be added to the console, so click OK. And then as you can see, you can go ahead and sign in and link to your Nintendo Switch, or you can go ahead and select later. So as you can see, what it tells you to do now is go ahead and sign in using an email address or sign in ID, or you can quick sign in via a smartphone, or you can go ahead and create a new account. So if you go ahead and select create a new account, you can go ahead and select send account creation via email, and then what you will have to do is go ahead and go through the Nintendo website. So it's just that simple to create a new user, guys. If you want to go ahead and create a new account, that's up to you, but it's just that simple. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.